Hi, I'm Josh. Let's make quick, soft and fluffy Indian flatbreads. Add the flour, baking powder and salt into a bowl and combine gently. Add the yogurt and mix using a fork to combine, then finish with your hands. Tip out the dough, divide into four, then flour your work surface well. Roll each into a ball, flatten slightly, then roll into a circle. Place a pan on high heat, add the flatbreads and you'll soon start to see some little bubbles. Once the first side starts to brown, flip over and repeat with the other side. Add some butter, wrap in foil and allow to sink in. The trapped steam will keep these soft for up to 4 days. Reheat straight from the fridge, wrapped in the foil for 30 seconds aside, 60 if frozen. Use these soft and fluffy breads with your favourite curry or build an awesome wrap with a layer of my yogurt and mint raita, chicken tikka and red onion. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.